Task types and task labels. Learn how to use task types and labels to improve information segmentation related to work hours and costs. Classify by category. Task types and how to use them. Keep in mind that task types are subject to categories, and that although you have the possibility to create new ones and edit them, COR has 13 non-editable categories and 115 default task types. Remember that only those users with C-level or director roles will be able to create task types and associate them to any of the 13 pre-existing categories in COR. Additionally, those already created can have their name and assigned category changed. Go to Task Type and create a new one. Name it, assign it to a category, and select a color to identify it. Click on the Create button. You will see that the new task type will be placed first in the list, but then it will be sorted alphabetically. You can edit it by clicking on the pencil icon, or delete it by clicking on the Delete button. Those who do not have these permissions will only be able to assign a task type from the preset ones by clicking on the plus icon. Task labels and how to create them. In COR, we can create and edit labels, which we will associate to users, tasks, and projects. Remember that only those users with C-level or director roles will be able to create labels, assign colors, and edit them if required. Go to Label and create a new one. Name it and select a color to identify it. Click the Create button. You will be able to easily edit or delete the tag. Those who do not have these permissions will only be able to assign one or multiple labels from the pre-existing list by clicking on the plus icon. Keep in mind that if you edit a label that is already being used within a user, task, and/or project, the label will remain there, but with the new name. In case of deleting a label that was already being used within a user, task, and/or project, the label will be removed from them.